I have been calling this level on Bitcoin at 59,313 for weeks, and I'm going to show you a super simple trade that you could have taken to profit off of this on the short side. If you go back to where we actually are now, Bitcoin has finally hit the sell side that I've been calling since we were up here. Let's look at the monthly chart. Here we just took all-time highs. That was at 69,000. You're going to see here that you form this fair value gap. I was thinking at this point that we were very likely going to come back down and test this box and then continue higher. If we now zoom back down to the daily, this gray box that you see is the same gray box that I drew on the monthly chart. So look at this special candle right here. If you zoom into this candle right here, we have this very abnormal wick. That is what I refer to as a liquidity wick. And it is extremely likely that we go back down to a liquidity wick, especially if it is in combination with a fair value gap. This was back in March of 2024. I was saying on my Discord and on X that we were likely going to come back down to retest this level because of this liquidity wick within the fair value gap. And look what happens after this. Boom, that is where we hit the bottom of the liquidity wick. This is the hourly chart. We took out buy side, which is this internal high right here. If you look on the charts, we created this very obvious hourly fair value gap right here to right here. Once we close below it, that is your signal to try a short. So you could have taken a short from this low right here on this candle with a stop as an hourly close above this fair value gap. Your target would have been, that is a almost 4-to-1 RR trade.